Hello my ABT students. Now this is the second part where I started creating a letterhead using a template. We got the template all modified to our liking, and of course you know you could have changed this triangle, this shape. You could have changed whatever you wanted on there. Okay, so now what they've said, and as I've said to you before, remember a template is a document that's used over and over again. All right, so they said here that we were to close. We've saved this, but just in case you haven't, save it. Okay, and then we're going to go File, Close. All right, so there we've closed it out. Now we want to be back in Word here, and I want to go to File, Open. I'm going to go to Browse, and we're going to go to our U drive. Go to your U drive, go to ABT, and we want to go to Project 1, and we want to open up. Now take a look again, make sure you see the words, the type, Microsoft Word template. That's what we want. Okay, so open it up, double click there, and now it's back on our screen. And so therefore we use this template, and now I'm going to put a letter in it and save it with a different name. Alright, so what I want to do is I want you to go and save it. Now we're going to go File, Save As. We're going to go to your Project 1. That's fine. And this time it's not going to be called a template. It's going to be called your name. So I'm going to type in my name, NOV. 18 is the current date for me. Oh, look at that. Caps lock is on. Okay, so try again. My first name and then NOV 18 space, and we were supposed to call it the GE letter. Okay, and this time it's not a template. You've got to go here and save it as a Word doc. Okay, Word document. So make sure you've done that. We're saving it as a letter, and it's a Word document. This will not, we can open it up, we can edit it, but it's not like the template that comes in and you use it. Alright, so now save it, and you see your name up here, the GE letter. Alright, okay, so now we're going to select this text, and you already saw that this is a text box. Okay, so all we're going to do is just select it. Alright, and now we want to go, and you know this, we want to go to Insert, we want to go to Object, and we want to go to Text from File. Alright, and we are going to go to your, I want to go to your Classes drive, go to your Classes drive, go to ABT, go to Project 1, and you are supposed to get the data. I think it's the data. No, the graphic text doc. Okay, this one here. You see it's a word, graphic text. That's what we want, not a template, a document. All right, insert it. And there's your letter. Now, this would not be the way that I would tell you to do a letter. All right, but at the same time, I want you to practice inserting, you know, some of it. So here's your date. Let's go change the date here. Let's just plain make it. Okay, we'll select it here and go to Insert, go to Date and Time, and choose the third date. Don't update it, and say OK. Alright, that's good. And then you've got your letter here, and you can see this is an American letter because Czech is K. I'm going to take that out and put in CHEQUE because you're Canadian. All right, and that's good. Now, sincerely, okay, we got an extra paragraph symbol here. So, well, hold on here. Now, take a look. You want to edit this, and you see that this text box in your road. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, drag this down for the time being. Don't panic for a second. All right, and I don't want this paragraph symbol because we don't need it. Now, the XX are your initials, so I'm going to put in LM for mine. You put in yours. And remember, 2 little letters. This isn't enough room for signature room, so I'm going to tell you to press Enter one more time to give you a little bit more space. Now, if you wanted to go further, we can drag this out and hold on here and press Enter. Okay, so I got some extra space here, but it's not large enough for my initials, so you've got to make sure you can see your initials, okay? All right, so there's our letter. We're happy with that. Then we're going to come back here and we're going to drag this up roughly to where it was. So now I've got to go to view and I have to go to one page to see out where I am. Okay, so this is a reasonable distance from the bottom. That's okay. And don't worry that it overlaps your letter. That's fine. But as I say, this is not the normal way. You wouldn't put it in a text box. But at the same time, it shows you how to put text in a text box if you wanted to. All right, so that's good. That's all we want to do there. So save that and we'll stop there.